Hey, it's Philomena. Join me in this quick little redo of my entryway. This print here is by Mary Engelbright, Christmas edition, and I'm replacing it with Greg Crayola Simpkins. This was a present from my sweetie. Greg Crayola is one of my very favorite artists, painters, illustrators. Love, love, love him. Check him out. He's on YouTube and all over the place. Got this cute little kissing booth sign from the dollar store, $1.25 store. If you know, you know. Hanging that upstairs. It's a little wink to leading to the boudoir. A little bit of a romance area in the house. I think it's important to live with the art that you love. I change up this little area quite a bit. It's fun to walk into the house and see something a little different. Look at me here using a ruler. It doesn't happen very often, but here I am measuring so that I can hang these super cool wall sconces I got from the Salvation Army. Checking. Live with the art that you love. Put stuff up on the walls. Put your art up on the walls. Put your favorite artists up. Put little things that you like, if it's a calendar page or a greeting card someone gave you. Decorate your space. Don't worry about resale values. Don't worry about what other people are going to think. Here I am just showing you the little hook I'm using. So we're in an 1897 house, and the walls do not like to get stuff added to them, so I'm always very careful. I'm lucky. This has been up for a while now, and it is just fine. It's hanging. And then, oh, here's a little interlude, little romantic interlude with my sweetie pie. I do look cuter when I'm smiling. I do have a bit of the, dropping things. I do have a bit of the resting bee face, I have to say. When I smile, it looks a little bit better. But when I'm thinking really hard, you'll see I do have a bit of a RBF. That's okay. So here are these cool sconces I got from the Salvo. Yep, I love mirrors. Ooh, dusting. And using my skirt to get off my fingerprints. I had cleaned these beforehand, but they definitely needed a little more. Yay, go me. Wait, let's do it again. All right, here we are doing it again. Bammo, bammo. I actually filmed this last year and had it on my second channel, and I just re-edited this recently, so this has been up for over a year. I did switch it out for Christmas, but now we're back to Valentine's Day, romance time. And then I got these silver candlesticks from the Amazon. I think they take AAA batteries, AA, AAA, I can't remember, but I have a bunch of these. Safety first, my friends, and they look so good. I think these are on a timer too, I can't remember now, but they look really good. Here's snowy day outside, but look at how warm and cozy it is inside. There I am. Hi, how are ya? Nice to see ya. I just think it's really sweet. You don't have to spend $1 million. So this print was a pricier piece, but the frame wasn't super expensive. The Salvo pieces were just a few dollars. Thanks for hanging out. Decorate your space with the stuff you love. Bye.